What is it, Petra? Hello.
You gotta be quick, Harley.
There he goes. He's had enough. Ooh, Valentine, what's the matter?
Which one's squawking back at him?
Well, I don't know who's responded to him.
Harley.
Is it?
I don't know, it might have been Petra that time. I can't see. That's Harley. Man, Petra. Now, Petra, he's going over there getting away from you. And you gotta follow his little green butt. Hey, baby, I'm a good boy.
You're a good boy? You don't sound like a good boy.
Hey, baby, I'm a good boy.
What's the matter?
What matter? What matter? I just don't get on that old net.
Very rarely.